Okay, hello guys, and today I want to introduce you about what sciences in water photos and simulation how to uh, how to make both simulation in ModelSim. As you can see in this forum settings, there are many different between pre-synthesis and post-synthesis, and absolutely post-synthesis is more complicated than pre-synthesis. When we pre-synthesis, we just open ModelSim and it includes on file we need to simulate and then run simulation. But with post-synthesis we can do it, but it's more complicated. We have to synthesize on file in waters, and we pick up on file VO, and something like that in ModelSim, and then we can run synthesis. In this, as you can see in the forum silence, you can see here is the schematics of pre-synthesis, and here is next list of post-synthesis, and maybe post-synthesis is complicated than resynthesis, and is the answer with the answer of the silent employees. They can say, we can say they say the basic difference in the post-synthesis has access to the synthesized message for information, but the resynthesis doesn't. This means we have to synthesize in waters to react nestled file, and then we have to import the nestled file in ModelSim to run bot simulation. So today I run a demo project for this bot synthesis. I will try it in detail, and I just do it very slowly. I hope you all can make this. This is so it's not difficult, but we have to do it very clearly. So let's begin. Here's we now a small project, very simple project with some file, and then here is desktop file. In desktop file, we have a file register. File that means first in first out. Yes, it's very similar. I think so. And this is file register which instantiate in this module. And now we have to synthesize. We have to synthesize this file and include schematic to ModelSim. And now as first we open the waters. This is the version 13, and the link download for this water version you can see below. Absolutely, on on code on file, we can you can download as link below. It's free for everybody. And then this is the panel of waters. And now we click to file and we choose new project wizard. Then we just click next, and then here is this window. We have to choose the working folder for this project. You can choose everywhere in your local computer. Here I choose this folder. I choose this folder, and we got the name for this project. I choose 54. Okay, and we click finish. And next step, we click to file, and we add the Verilog file. If you code by VHDL VHDL, you can do simultaneously. And we choose the file need to add. Here is just only file the file register, and we click open. Then we click add. You can see this the modules is occurring here, and we can apply. Okay. Now we need to set top entity for this file. That's okay. Aware some now, and now this is the next step. Very important step. You go to assignment setting, and you choose in the simulation. In the simulation, you choose ModelSim Antara, and then we choose Verilog. If you code by Verilog, if you code you code VHDL, you have to choose VHDL. In this situation, I choose Verilog. Okay. And then we click OK. Next step, we need to choose device for this project. This is a very important step. In project, we work with the Cylon 2 robot line, and I choose this part here, and then I click OK. Remember that you choose the families. The families is Cylon 2, and then we click OK now. Awesome. And now we can run combine design. And just wait a moment. When we wait in the C6 results, you can open ModelSim, and we create a new project to prepare for post C6 now. Okay. We we choose we choose new project to make a new project. We need to choose project name. For example, demo 54. Okay, and we choose the location in your computer. I choose the same folder with the folder CZ, and then we click OK now. In this step, we have to add on the file. We need to simulation and resist it. We choose on. And now we try to compare re-simulation now. The first step, we have to combine. So on combine E good now. And now we can re-simulation. We can check re-simulation as normal. It's very easy. Okay, re-simulation is display now. And you can see the module 54 register now. You can run the simulation now. Very easy with re-simulation. And okay, we can see this code is work perfect now. But it's not for today. We need to run ModelSim, not resync. And now we come back with method now. It's sync was successful. Okay, and now we come to the folder, the local folder. When we say our project, you can see in wait a moment. I remember that. Yes, simulation here. Yes, you can see the folder's name is simulation. ModelSim, and you can see two files. Very important. Two nested file. That's the .vo and .sdo. This is the two files. This is the two files is very important for your post simulation. You can read here. You can read here .vo and .sdo file for the post. And now we create it after we sync it now. And then now we have to do something now. You have to copy two files, and then you pass in the same folder with where where we say the Verilog code. Yes, it's not the same folder. If not same folder, you get a wrong error when you run BossSim. And now you open ModelSim. In this window, we have to add to nestled file. Let's say the VO. Let's say the VO file. We need to add this file to project. Okay, awesome. Yes. This was successful now, and now we can run simulation. We can run boss simulation now. You choose in simulation, click stack simulation, and in library we have to choose the silent tool library. This is a very important step. If you don't choose the libraries, the errors will happen when you run BossSim. And we go to Antera, and we choose ModelSim SE, and we choose Antera, we choose Verilog, and we choose Cylon II, that means Cylon 2, III, that means Cylon 3, and in this project we work with Cylon 2, so you choose Cylon 2. If you choose other device, if you choose other device, when you see this, you have to choose the same device with device here when you run BossSim. If not, the error will happen when you run BossSim. You choose Cylon 2 and then you click OK. And that's all. You move to design and you click work. And you can choose desktop now and run OK. Yes. And now you can see when you double click in the file register. That's the cost of the file register, and it's displayed in nestled style. You can see here. Let's say the nestled style. And now you just choose the signal you need to see in simulation. Yes, we can run it. As you can see, then that I was still fail with BossSim now. It's bad with ResinSim, but it's not bad with BossSim now. So we have to check we have to check our design again. So that's all for today. Today I will I will help you the ways how to see this, how to do boxing simulation with the file to finance Netflix when using it from touchdown. And that's all for today. I think that it will helpful for guys. It's take me many time to can do the boss simulation, but it's okay now. And thank you very much. If any ideas, you can comment and link below, and you press subscribe to see in the next video. And see you next time.